Hey guys, it is part 4 about the Sprite and Gummy Bear trend, and it is ready and nice and a little bit unthawed. So we're gonna try the red one first. I'm so excited. Let's go. Wait! That's so good! That's so good. It's like a slushie on the outside, and then like in the inside, it's the gummy bear. It's so good. I need to start making this more. I just like the green, it's so good, but the red is the best one. I taste Sprite. I can feel the sizzles of the Sprite too. Honestly, I'd give this a 10 out of 10. You guys should try it too. Alright, that's all for today. Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.